In this video lecture, we are going to learn about typecasting in C programming language. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn how to convert from one data type to another data type. So let's go ahead and start with an example. So I'm going to say int x is equal to, let's say 12 plus semicolon, and int y is equal to 10 plus semicolon, and int z is equal to, let's call that to be 25 plus semicolon, and let's create another data type called float, and let that be float results is equal. Let that just be float results. So let's perform some mathematical operations here. Okay, let's say, wow, results is equal to, that'll be x multiply y, then divide by z for a semicolon, and go ahead and print out this. I'm going to say print f. I say the result is, so the result is percentage, let that be into decimal places, let percentage f, and go ahead and put result. So for semicolon at the end, let's see what the outcome of this will be. So all these are integer variables, while the result is a float. So this is supposed to be the same data type, so it should be either float throughout or int just throughout. Let's go ahead and run this code and check this out. So the result of this is 4. So let's go ahead and use our calculator and check this out. 12 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 120 divided by 25, and that is equal to 4.8. Alright, so you might ask, why is results just equal to 4 and not 4.8? Go ahead and close this. So now if you want to get the result to be equal to 4.8, you have to convert x, y, and z to float. Okay? You have to convert x, y, and z to be float, and how can you be able to do that? It's just very simple. Go very before x and put in float, and do that to y. That is called typecasting. So go over here and put float, and go to z as well and put that to be float. So now you have these floats. So all the integer variables have been converted to x, to float data type. Now go ahead and run this code and let's check the result. So now you can see that I have my result to be 4.80. So if you take it down to one decimal place and run this code, you're going to get 4.8. So you can see that it is 4.8 and no longer 4.0. So that is the way you can be able to convert one data type to another. So this is applicable to both string variables and other variable types. So I believe you've learned how to create and how to convert from one data type to another. It's just very simple. So if you want to convert these to integer, that is the vice versa. Go ahead and check it out and make sure that everything is just working out well the way it should be. Alright, so go ahead and check it out and practice with it. And if you have any question, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.